here, and we got to load that. So this load, you guys should remember this. View, and since I called it blog view, it's going to be blog view. So I'm actually going to add the PHP extension for me, as you already likely know. Now when I load this, oh, an internal server error. I wonder why. This load view, blog view. Yeah, I'm not sure why that's happening. That's depressing. So we're gonna go /user guide, and we're gonna see what's going on here. So we're gonna go here, and we're gonna click on views, and we want to load a view. This load view, blog view, and it should load it, but it's not loading it. So I wonder why that is. I got a little bit of a throat issue here. That's why. Didn't have that in there. Now if I load it, perfect. It's loading untitled document. Perfect. Now we're going to go over here, and you can see if we change this to PGD, which is Papillon Graphics and Design, CI Toots, tutorials actually, and then we reload, that's going to change. Now we're going to pass through some dynamic information. First things first, we're going to go data. I tried this before in the other video and it didn't work too well for me, but we'll see what happens here. So we're going to make the PGD CodeIgniter, just so we can see some changes. Tutorials. Perfect. And here we need to load our data array. Or our data array. As you can see, yeah. Right, we gotta go back over here. Sorry, I'm a little bit not here today. Now, one thing I noticed when I was doing this before in another video was, for some reason, I was having troubles using PHP short tags, so I'm not going to be using those until I figure out why that's not working. So basically, we don't want those. We just want to put in title. Go over to our browser, and you can see it's loading our new title. I just put PSD, which is Photoshop document, not Papillon Graphics, PGD. There we go. Now it's loading correctly. And we're going to do another one. Data heading. And we're going to call this my heading. No, just something quick. Doesn't have to be special. And there we go. Now we're going to go over to our browser. I'm doing this a little bit different order than usual, but that's all right. Now we're going to go PHP echo heading, and then we're going to put that, and then there we go. As you can see, I'm always screwing up this PHP statement for some reason. I don't know why. There. So it comes up. That's good. Right? Yeah. All right. Getting on to the next part. Now we're going to create a data. We're going to create an array. We're going to call it to do. And then we're going to go like this. And now we're going to create an array. And we're going to have, first thing is learn new features of CodeIgniter. Do the dishes. Sorry if it's a little bit quiet when I'm typing. I'm using my recording equipment, not the built-in microphone on my computer to record this. And clean room, sure. That works. That's enough. And we end that. And now it's going to be passed over, but now we got to go over here. And we actually have to put this in. Now, when I first did this, I had a really hard time remembering how to do this. So first things first, we want to create that. Now, what we want to do is we want to create a for each loop. For each is going to go to do as item. And then we're going to put that there and like that. And then we're going to go like this, PHP end for each. Like that, just so we can just type normal code in here. There, and we're going to go li, and we're going to put in li. We're going to have it php echo item. And there we go. Perfect. Reload. Boom, bam. You can change this to an ordered list by going OL. Not that I want to go over any HTML, but there you go. It's now an unordered list, but we want to have that as that's actually an ordered list, sorry. But we want to have it as an unordered list. All right, so we've done that. That's where I'm stopping for now. And on the next video, I'll be going into more database stuff and a lot more other things. So that's it for today. You can visit my website, papillongraphics.com. That's P-I-L-L. Actually, it's right, spelled right here on the right there. Papillon, P-A-P-I-L-L-O-N. Graphics, which is spelled grafix.com. I'll put a link in the description as well as an annotation. And I also put annotations to my new videos, any new video to the next video, and all that stuff. And so you can go papillongraphics.com. You can contact me through the mail form or through any other forms of contact that I have on there. That includes phone. If you have any questions about CodeIgniter or anything, I will be glad to take your call and help you out. So if you wish to do that, you can. I got nothing against it. If you guys need help, I'm willing to help. Currently in college, so that's why I got this stuff here, lessons and work. We're just going through the basics of everything now, and right now in my After Effects isn't a part of this, but completed Photoshop, and now we're on Dreamweaver. That has nothing to do with you guys. But anyway, so there you go. That is Papillon Graphics and Design video tutorial. First one of the CodeIgniter Workshop that I'm going to be that I'm starting. I know I didn't get too far with the other one, but I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to be getting into some other stuff. We're going to be talking about drivers right here. We're going to be looking at helpers, including the Capacha helper, which is going to be I may actually convert my papillongraphics.com website over to CodeIgniter. Probably a good idea, and it'd be a really easy way to manage stuff like that. That'll be I'll probably do that. We'll go through some other stuff as I learn more about CodeIgniter. I will teach you stuff. They have an HTML table class, and I'm not sure if this stuff was in the previous version, but yeah. See, the validation class is now replaced, or we have the form validation class. That's why they got rid of that. I'm pretty sure the typography class and that stuff. So I guess that's pretty much it. That's stuff. Those are things you can look forward to, and I'll also be going over models in one of them, and yeah. So that's it for this video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe to my channel, youtube.com/gfadmin, and I will definitely keep making videos. Actually, it's not going to be gfadmin anymore. It's going to be youtube.com/papillongraphics. So that's what it is, right? Because that's where this is going to be uploaded. That's where the other ones were uploaded, was to the Gaming Fusion admin channel. But we're done with that channel. So it's still going to be doing the same videos, same types of videos, Mac tips, all that stuff. But it's going to be with this instead. So I got to go. Talk to you later.